In a thriving workplace, safety isn't just a rule, it's a culture. Today we're going to explore how first aid training plays a pivotal role in shaping a culture of safety. A culture of safety is about every employee being a safety advocate. So let's discover how first aid training is the foundation of this culture. Here are the key aspects to consider. So investing in comprehensive first aid training, promoting open communication about safety concerns, recognizing and rewarding safety conscious behavior, conducting safety drills and assessments, leading by example from top management. So creating a culture of safety is not just about its compliance, it's about building a workplace where everyone looks out for one another. It's about making safety a part of your company's DNA. Creating a culture of safety with first aid training is not just an idea, it's a commitment to a safer and more harmonious workplace. Because in your workplace, safety is a way of life.